Hey everyone, and welcome! Ever wonder what it really takes to keep your electric vehicle purring like a kitten, not sputtering like a sputtering internal combustion engine? Because, let's face it, electric cars aren't just about plugging in and going. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to EV maintenance in 2024. Get ready to become an EV maintenance master. First things first, let's bust some myths. You might think electric cars are maintenance-free unicorns. Think again. While they are significantly simpler than gas-powered vehicles, fewer moving parts, no oil changes, no spark plugs, that doesn't mean they're entirely carefree. One area we often overlook is the battery. Now, this isn't your typical car battery needing a jump start every few years. We're talking about a large, sophisticated lithium-ion battery pack, the heart of your EV. Keeping it healthy is crucial. Reports from sources like the EPA, focusing on emerging vehicle technology, emphasize the importance of understanding your car's specific charging recommendations. Don't just slam it on any charger, understand the optimal charging levels to extend its lifespan. Think of it like this: you wouldn't constantly overcharge your phone, right? Same principle applies here. Another often missed aspect is tire pressure. Proper inflation isn't just about fuel efficiency or, in our case, electricity efficiency. It also impacts your handling and the overall lifespan of your tires. Regular checks are essential, just like with any vehicle. And speaking of tires, remember to rotate them regularly as well. This ensures even wear, which is crucial for optimized handling and longevity. Now, let's talk about something truly groundbreaking: bidirectional energy exchange. I know, it sounds like science fiction, but it's increasingly becoming a reality. Research from organizations like PNNL highlights the potential of electric vehicles equipped with vehicle-to-home V2H technology to serve as backup power sources during outages. Imagine having your EV as a giant power bank for your home. Pretty cool, right? This is a game changer, offering a level of resilience that traditional gas-powered cars simply can't match. While the widespread adoption is still in its early stages, it's a fascinating development to watch. But what about those pesky software updates? Unlike your phone, which you update regularly, EV software updates are often overlooked. These updates often include improvements to battery management, performance, and even new features. Staying on top of these updates is crucial for optimal performance and safety. Think of it as a regular tune-up for your car's brain. While the EPA provides extensive data on fuel economy and emissions for both traditional and electric vehicles, detailed recent maintenance data specifically for EVs is still evolving. They are constantly working to gather and analyze this data, so we can expect more specific recommendations in the future. For now, relying on the manufacturer's recommendations and regular inspections remains key. Now, you might be wondering about the environmental impact. The EPA's Green Vehicle Guide is an excellent resource to learn more about the environmental benefits of EVs. It compares the environmental impact of various vehicles, highlighting the significant reduction in greenhouse gas emissions compared to gasoline-powered cars. This is a massive step toward a cleaner future, and understanding your contribution to it is part of being a responsible EV owner. Let's not forget that despite the shift towards electric vehicles, the EIA continues to track gasoline and diesel fuel data. This data helps us understand the ongoing energy landscape and the transition we're experiencing. It's a reminder that while we're embracing the future of electric mobility, the transition is a process, and understanding both sides of the equation is important. The development of hydrogen-fueled vehicles, as mentioned in congressional reports, is another interesting aspect of this evolving transportation landscape. Now, let's talk about keeping your EV in tip-top shape. Regular visual inspections, checking for any unusual noises, smells, or leaks are just as important as any other maintenance test. While there are fewer moving parts, there are still components that need attention and care. Early detection of any problems can prevent larger, more costly repairs down the line. Okay, let's wrap this up. We've covered a lot today, from battery care to software updates, from bidirectional energy exchange to the ongoing importance of understanding the broader energy landscape. Maintaining an electric vehicle is different, but not necessarily more difficult than maintaining a gas-powered car. It simply requires a different approach, a focus on different aspects. If you found even one useful nugget or had a chuckle, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a PayPal link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. So, are you ready to become an EV maintenance guru? Remember, the key is proactive care and understanding your vehicle's unique needs. Happy driving, and stay tuned for more electric vehicle adventures.